안녕하세요. 이제 2부 서회를 맡게 된 아곤이라고 하고요. 저는 루디움이라고 하는 웹3 커뮤니티 빌더 커뮤니티를 빌딩을 하고 있고 이드서울 코오거나이징을 하고 있습니다. Hi, my name's Agon. I'll be hosting the second part of the chain abstraction day, and especially for the hacker building and team building sessions for the second part. And I'm also a co-organizer of Eat Soul. Wasn't quite necessary, but thank you. 그래서 제 소개를 먼저 하자면 저는 이제 2017년도부터 크립토에 참여를 하면서 논스라고 하는 빌더 커뮤니티, 이제 코워킹 코리빙 커뮤니티를 만드는 일들을 시작했고요. 어차피 사람도 별로 없으니까 그냥 앉아서 할게요. So I'm just gonna sit down and just to connect a little better. So I've been in crypto since 2017. I've been mostly focused on co-working, co-living, builder presence in Korea to try to facilitate more of a builder presence to be ongoing in Web3 space. 그래서 그러한 일환으로 이제 2021년도부터 빌더 커뮤니티 웹3 교육과 관련된 이제 루디움을 시작을 하고 있습니다. So as an ongoing initiative, I've been running a community called Ludium. So that's so for Web3 Builder community for onboarding, HR, and career transition from Web2 to Web3. 그래서 그 일환으로 하고 있는 것이 콜리지움이라고 하는데요. 이제 오픈 소스 에듀바운티 프로그램으로서 이제 교육에 참여하거나 미션을 수행하게 되면 거기에 대해서 보상을 받을 수 있는 바운티 형태의 프로그램들을 지속적으로 운영하고 있습니다. As a part of that, I'm running a Collegium, which is an open source edu-bounty program, whether it be developer or any other kinds of builder activities. If you submit a mission or any type of missions that are pertaining to the learning or builder presence, you get rewarded with tokens. So 오늘 이제 체인 앱스트랙션 데이 이제 간단하게 뭐 스테이지 설명을 드리자면은 여기에서 빌더 관련된 그 워크숍과 체인 시그니처와 관련된 이제 내용들을 진행을 하게 될 거고요. 제가 이제 끝나게 되면은 여기 계신 마이크가 먼저 하나 체인 시그니처에 대한 체인 앱스트랙션에 대한 이제 내용들을 다루게 될 거고 그 이후에 김선태 나무랩스 CINO 님께서 올라오셔서 한국어로 미션들을 제공할 예정인데 그 미션들 같은 경우에는 수행을 하게 되면은 저희 웹사이트에서 그 보상을 줄 수 있는 형태로 진행이 돼요. 근데 원래는 사실 여기 이제 그 테이블 세팅을 해가지고 바로 여기서 진행을 하면은 같이 서브밋을 할 수 있는 형태로 만들려고 했는데 이게 지금 테이블 세팅이 좀 다르게 돼 있어서 오늘 뭐 안 되면은 그 나중에 이메일로 그런 내용들을 전달드릴 예정이어서 보시면 될 것 같습니다. So for the second part of the hacker stage, there will be hacker open mic sessions in which for those who are participating in EatSoul to be able to mingle and be able to get some mentoring going on in the mentoring networking zone and learn and earn workshops that are going to be going on. So first, chain signature workshop done by Mike Purvis from Proximity, and second, there will be a Korean chain signature workshop done by Suntae Kim, CINO of Namulabs. He will be, and if you submit your mission via portal, you get so $15 for the participation and $20 for actually completing the task. So please feel free to join. But right now, it's not like the Wi-Fi wasn't working too well, and the table setting is not the most optimal. So we will give you more leeway time for you to submit your mission. So if you don't have to do it today, you can do it over time. 그래서 일단은 원래 사실은 지금 그 시간을 좀 길게 빼가지고 해커 스테이지를 운영을 하려고 했는데 해커분들 많이 가셨어요. 그래서 혹시 여기 그 이드서울 참여하시는 분들 계신가요? So I was going to run a hacker stage, but I guess many of the hackers aren't here right now. So, if you're participating in EatSoul or thinking of participating in EatSoul, could you raise your hand? One. There's one. Two. There's two. Only two? Okay. First and second place. Oh, so 해커 스테이지 같은 경우에는 나오셔가지고 이제 그 어떤 아이디어를 가지고 있고 지금 뭐 팀빌딩을 하시고 계실 수도 있고 팀빌딩이 끝나셨을 수도 있고 다양한 스테이지의 분들이 계실 수도 있을 것 같은데 같이 이제 네트워킹을 하면서 오늘 이제 다양한 멘토분들 여기에도 지금 자리하시고 계신 멘토분들이 있으시고 저 뒤에서 멘토링을 받을 수 있는 시간들이 준비되어 있어서 그 이제 이야기를 나누고 그 팀빌딩을 할 수 있는 시간들을 좀 하려고 했거든요. 그래서 혹시나 올라오셔서 얘기하실 수 있는 분들이 있으시면은 잠시 올라와서 그 편하게 팀빌딩이 되셨을 수도 있고 안 되셨을 수도 있고 올라오실 수 있으면 좋을 것 같습니다. So if you're a hacker, it might be a little bit frightening to be on the stage, but so the whole part of the hackathon is to try to start something new and be able to show your presence not by telling but by doing. And that's the spirit that we have been trying to implement and be able to facilitate within EatSoul and Korean Builder community as a whole. So, and it's a great opportunity today because they're like very well-founded mentors present here and be able to exchange ideas and be able to share thoughts and build your team. So if you would like to come up to the stage, would you be kind enough to give a introduction of who you are? Oh, nice. Thank you.
Hi guys. My name is Tina Park. I'm a Web 2 developer trying to transition into Web 3. I don't have a project, but I would love to join any team who's looking for a front-end developer, and I'm here.
Well, thank you. You're the other one, so you might as well come up on the stage. ABB? I can give you like 30 minutes if you want me to. We have a lot of time. We can start a podcast here.
Hello, my name is AVB. I've got a drinking problem. Yeah, so I've been around the NEAR ecosystem for a long time. I've been collecting ideas for a long time, and I feel like the tech stack is finally getting to the point where we can deploy some of these bad boys. So yeah, if you have any technical skills, Tina, you're on my team. If you're a graphic designer, if you can do marketing, I think we're gonna win. I know the judges too, so.
Is how it's gonna work?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, and to give you a glimpse of the idea, I'm interested in protocols that were kind of successful elsewhere, like they had a really good vision, but they just couldn't expand or couldn't scale because of the technology. So looking at taking some of the ideas that have been tried, kind of succeeded and couldn't scale, and deploying them in a different context, but we're gonna scale to the moon.
Skill. What do you do? What are you? Like what universe do you come from?
I'm fun employed. I'm just ecosystem.
So you're the ecosystem itself, I guess. Okay. So the guy ecosystem who knows all the judges. I mean, apparently. So he's gonna do something. So just for the caveat, so since EatSoul is a hackathon-focused event, unless you're registered as a dev or a sponsor or speaker or a mentor, you're not going to have access to the basement. So it's a great loss to, I mean, you're not going to be served meals on the first floor. So I mean, you're gonna be starved to death. So just for the sake of meals, please join as a hacker.